It's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. Features include streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, push-button start, power tilting steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver remarks consider the C-Class as all that Mercedes knows about full-size luxury distilled into a smaller package. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. Experience it for yourself today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,